Hey guys, so today I am filming my summer eyes look, as you can see. I went for something that was, I love my bronzy kind of shimmers and my gold for eyes, but I thought I'd go with a bit of a pop of green with it as well, just to make it that little bit more summery. And I think it's a great like summer nights kind of look as well. I've done my base beforehand when you get into the video, because you've seen me put my foundation on and that enough that you don't need to watch that any more than you have to. So there was just a few products that I'd used that I hadn't used in previous videos that I just wanted to go through with you. And the first one is this, which obviously in my previous video I had raved about really wanting, and then found it in one of my Benefit pots that I had on my windowsill. And this is the California Benefit blush. I'll show you the colour. It's beautiful. It's such a nice, like warm, summery kind of colour. It's really like corally, and coral's like one of my favourite colours. Coral and mustard, like my favourite colours. Okay, the other one that I also wanted to get into was Botanic Beauty, is it? Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but it's the Phil and Tame Brow Gel. I've only recently, like the past maybe week, actually started using it, and I don't tend to do a lot with my eyebrows because I just like them the way they are. I just fill the little gaps up with eyeshadow, and that's usually as far as I go with my eyebrows. But I've started using this and I absolutely love it. The amount of compliments I've had about my eyebrows in this past week, and even like one of my friends asking what I use on my eyebrows, I'm just really happy with it, and I love the way that they look as well. I think it just looks like a bit of a brow tint, so it does make them that tiny bit darker, but this one is actually for blondes. So I'll open it up for you. That's the wand on it, so it's a bit like a mascara one, so it does get in between all the hairs and brushes them as well, and it's great. So I'm actually waiting for them to come back in stock again on Birchbox website, but they're currently out of stock, which is a bit annoying. So I'm hoping they haven't discontinued them, and I hope they do come back in stock because I really want to get another one of those. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed doing Summer Eyes look. I really want to play with some other colours, some like really bold in your face kind of colours as well. It's pretty much enough from me talking, to be honest, so I hope you enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed my video, guys. If you did, then subscribe to my channel, and if you did, smash that thumbs up button down below. If you've got any questions or requests on any future videos, then just comment that, and if you watched till the end of the video, you'll see the link to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, which is @holly.rutter, that's Holly with an IE, and follow me on Twitter, which is Holly_makeup. I think that's it.
Bless your life.